Welcome to my channel. Want to master a data analytics using Excel, Power BI, MySQL, and Python? Hi, I am Chirag Bhatt, a freelancer, data analyst, corporate trainer, and professor with a passion for turning raw data into insights. Here you will learn the Excel analytics where basically we're going to discuss the Excel functions and dashboarding in Excel, interactive dashboard in Power BI, where basically we are going to discuss about the Power BI modeling, data cleaning, and dashboarding in Power BI. And in SQL, we are going to discuss the basic and advanced SQL query with real SQL projects and Python based EDA, all step by step. Whether you are a beginner or leveling up your skill, this channel gives you a real world hands on analytics training. So, if you are ready to grow in analytics, hit subscribe and let's dive in. Basically, the medium of language for this particular channel will be in form of English or in a Hindi. So basically it's a mix of both languages. Thank you so much.